Okay, so I'm gonna grab my needle nose pliers here. Gonna remove this here. Alright, that one's easy. Oh crap. Okay. Alright. Let's get that out of the way. Come on. Okay, there's the hole. You see that? So actually, let me just rip this off right here. Rip it. Alright. Okay, look at that. Not too bad. The clear grease is still clear. There's no dirt in it. There's just dirt around on the sides. So, I'm gonna try to do is, I hate working with grease, man. It's all over your tools and it's just a mess. Pain in the ass. But you do what you gotta do to save yourself some money. Because if you go to a mechanic, this kind of work is not cheap. Alright, we'll just slide it off over. There you go. Alright, so there it is. So what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do, you guys just sit back and watch the show. So I'm gonna clean this up as best as I can. Okay, you can see that there. Alright, let's see. Alright, here's the old one. Alright guys, these Toyota's clamps are a pain in the butt, so I was able to get it off. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cut this off. Okay, so there's the top piece, and then this guy. Now, if you know how to cut yourself, alright, out with the old. Now just to clean everything up here. Alright guys, so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to put a little bit of grease on the outside of this. I'll clean it all up after. It's going to be to see if I can slide the boot over this. Which I'm hoping I can without ripping it. If I rip it, well, I'm screwed. But I'll only be out 20 bucks for a boot. So, alright, this is it, man. This is the moment of truth. So, none of this has been removed. I'm going to try to do this. Hopefully it works. Okay, so you're going to straighten this out. You're going to slide it over. Okay. Slide it over. Alright, get him. Come on, don't rip on me. Just like that, fellas. Just like that. Brand new boot. Don't have to take nothing off. Look at that. What do you know? And just like that, just clean off the all that grease you just threw on here. And bam. Just like that. Ah, yes. Hoping I didn't have to take that off. That's a win-win, fellas. That's a win-win. So, now that the boot's on, and I did clean out the inside of this, what you want to do is just give it another pass through, just because you never know, you know, what kind of gunk is in there. So you get your towel, you fold it up, squeeze it in there, just give it a nice turn, and then we'll get all that old nasty stuff out. Okay, so for right now, I'm gonna pack it with some grease. It's gonna be some water and heat-resistant grease that you can find anywhere, AutoZone, Walmart, anywhere. So, all right, just gonna pack a little bit in there. Want to put back what you took out. You don't want to get too crazy with it. Grease is grease, fellas. All right. There's that. Make sure that's on there. This one's on here. Okay, so that's that. So for right now, I still have to do the other side. I gotta do everything else. I'm gonna use these zip ties. So just be careful you don't use a razor blade, because you'll end up cutting the boot. So use something like some snippers, some dikes, I don't know, whatever you guys call them. Man, these are some heavy duty clamps. Holy crap. Is there a wire in these? You know what? I think there's wire in these. No, but these are some tough clamps. Not clamps, I mean, yeah, forgetting what everything's called. Alright, guys. Okay, make sure it's in the groove. Alright, look, it pulls off. Just check it, and then to tighten it, you pull out and down. Just check it. Yep. Everything's good.